Hi guys, from Wish 107.5 family. This is Jenny. Please join me. I remember the boys sung by Joey Alba. Thank you. They heard it play the song again, an old familiar string from way back when. Every note and every line, it's always been a favorite song of mine. Used to haunt me so some years ago. That certain road, and the words still sing of love. I know it isn't quite the way it was before. I remember the moment, but I don't remember the feelings anymore. The promises with me seem easier then. Sing of love, I know it isn't quite the way it was before. I remember the morning, but I don't remember the feelings. I remember the morning. Thank you guys for joining. Good afternoon.